You could thank me now. Go ahead. Thank me later, yeah, I know what I said. But later doesn't always come, so instead.
The difference is, I pay attention. Whatever I...
Hey you guys, I am The Difference Is Franshon. For those who might not know, I am a hairstylist. I am the one styling all those beautiful styles that you see on my tutorial and on my video list. Today I decided to rock one of my vendor's hair and I'm liking it. This is 2220 and I got a 2022, not 18, because I ain't got nothing on the 22. And I like it. I did the bang. Look, it's pretty long for me. I also had a closure. I did my closure in the bang form. It's really cute. If you guys are interested in knowing how I achieved this look, I did a little snips, you know, while I was doing my hair. It'd be hard for me to kind of like stare in the camera and do my hair. There's no way I know how to like set it up to the mirror. I just don't know how to do that. But anyways, I wanted to show you guys a couple of my products you guys may have seen me working on while I'm in my tutorials doing my thing. So I just want to break down a couple of my products where you can also get them if you're interested in purchasing. So for those that are asking, what is the beeswax that I use to slick my little baby hairs down, that gets the ponytails as sleek and as straight and as shiny? This is the product right here. It's called Premium Beeswax. It has coconut oil and castor oil mixed inside. I wanted to make a product where that even though you are applying it to your edges, it's some type of ingredient that's mixed inside that's going to actually help grow your hair instead of damaging it. You know, you don't want to keep putting a product in your hair every day because it is wet and or it's like coming out and then your hair begins to shed or fall out. That's not what we're doing over here. So my product has coconut oil and also castor oil. If you guys are interested in knowing what those products does, just do your own research on coconut oil and you will see the benefit of those, and also castor oil. Here is a flyer that you will get once you purchase my product. My information is located in the description box below the video. It's going to be like a little arrow. Just click that arrow. Any link that is located in the description box, you can just click it and it will send you straight to the website. However, you will get a flyer that's going to say how to apply the Premium Beeswax. So here are the instructions. There are 5 different steps. I would agree or suggest that you follow the steps in order to get the perfect results. Okay, on another note, I also sell the pressing comb. That's actually numbered step 1 to applying the beeswax. You have to press your hair. I'm 31 years old. I'm not too much older than you guys or the ones that have been doing hair for a while. And the way I was taught was to press the hair. Flat irons, yeah, it might get the look, but I was taught to press the hair. So if you guys are interested in wanting to purchase my pressing comb, well, it's not mine, but you know, I can tell you or show you the one that I prefer and the one that I use so that you can press your client's hair. Now, I do have a video showing you how to properly press the hair to get it straight for a ponytail. Make sure you guys click that and go check it out if you guys are interested. I do break it down on how to press the hair. You want to make sure you check the temperature. You want to make sure it's not too hot, and you do not want to burn your client's hair. Then I also have some lashes. So now I am loving this hair. I am feeling this hair. I'm loving my bang. This hair is so soft and it's so bouncy. Panse Hair, you guys did it once again. I love this hair. I have actually 4 bundles in my hair in the closure. I wanted it really, really thick, so I have 18, 20, and 22 inches, and I want to leave a little bit of the 16. The closure is an 18-inch closure. I'm loving this hair though. It's bouncy as it is, y'all. This bang giving me natural vibes. Yeah.